fine. I'm happy that I have seen him. And he's okay, but he's so thin. Skin and bones. Hindi tulad sa picture na ito. She's really that, you know. And I asked him, I want to eat the food. Sabi niya, ayaw daw ng food. Ayaw na. And pabalik-balik daw.
Hindi ba siya nilulutuan ng mga Filipino food?
No. No.
So whatever lang.
Yeah, then at least he said that he is no longer taking any meds.
Oh.
At least okay yan, no? He's healthy. Parang tingin ko ha, he's healthy, but as an old man,
You never know.
yeah, tulad mahina na maglakad, you know. Yan na.
But how is he with the weather, ma'am, lately? Kasi sobrang init ng weather lately.
I told him, sabi ko, malamig. Sabi niya, may init naman. Sabi ko, malamig pa rin para sa akin. Sabi niya, sabi niya, kasi matanda ka na. Yun ang sabi.
Pero mag-exercise naman si President.
Hindi po rin. Gusto lang niya mag-sleep. Gusto lang niya manood ng TV. Yan, after daw the TV, sleep na naman daw siya. Yun lang. Yun ang galing.
At saka nagbabasa naman siya ng libro, ma'am.
Yeah. Basta din. Pero not so much. Gusto niya yung TV. Tapos he was asking about how is Davao, ganon. Okay ba daw si Basti sa kanyang kwan because he is the mas acting mayor, diba? So, sabi ko, okay naman. There's no problem. Sabi ko, and your grandson is also the vice mayor. Sabi ko, then the other one is the congressman, the second district. And he also asked me, did the Hugpong daw won? Sabi ko, yes. Most of them are from Hugpong. Sabi ko, ganun. Ayun, that's it.
Ma, meron bang message si PRRD para sa mga kababayan natin?
Yes. He said, you go home. You go home. Thank you for your support. Ako rin, nagpapasalamat din sa inyo for your support. I am here also for my support. Sabi niya, mahal ang pasahe, umuwi ka na. Sabi ko, we will be here for as long as we are needed here. Sabi ko ganun sa kanya. But, yeah, sabi niya, you go home and thank you for your support. Yun ang sabi niya. Tapos, yun lang. Sabi niya, I am okay. Sabi niya, you tell them I am okay.
Ma'am, pwede pakisabi kay PRRD na hanggang sa dulo nandito yung mga Filipino for Health. Kahit umulan, mag-snow, bumagyo, hindi talaga kami aalis.
You are so amazing. Yan talaga masabi ko sa inyo. You are so amazing.
Thank you.
Yung mga rallies ninyo, sometimes I cry. Yung I could see your support, the Filipino support all over talaga.
Actually, ma'am, tomorrow, July 5 and July 19, meron pong another events na prepared as a call to action, Filipinos in Solidarity para kay PRRD po.
Oh, thank you for that. Pero yun nga, sabi niya, wag na daw. He is okay, wag na daw. Sabi niya, you go home. Tell them to go home.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, nagtanong man siya, meron po ba maraming tao doon sa labas, sabi ko sa kanya. Just to encourage him that he is not alone.
Meron ba question sa inyo, iba? Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, nakakadagdag pressure po ba kami sa health ni PRRD?
No.
Hindi po kami umuwi.
No. No, he is happy, but he doesn't want you to be bothered by that.
We are not bothered, ma'am. It is our honor na ginagawa namin to kasi nag-sacrifice siya before. It is our bit as a Filipino right now. Thank you talaga, ma'am.
Kasi po, ma'am, personally, wala po talaga akong pinapaliwan na politics. In honor of my father, tas lalo pa si former president as a president. Para sa akin, mama, I do this for the country. Kasi,
Yes.
ma'am, kasi respeto yun, ma'am. Dati siya presidente, nag-work hard for us. So this time, kami naman.
Yes po. Mabuhay po.
I am very much thankful that you believe. That you believe on him.
Of course,
I
ma'am.
believe on him also.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, I told even when we are in court, that was long time ago. I said he is a good leader. That was term that I said to the judge,
Mm.
he is a good leader. But there is something wrong. May flaw siya eh. So, for 25 years we got married. I think, yun ang nangyari pa sa amin na, okay, I need rest also. Parati na ako nagkakasakit, I have already my operations, So,
But Ma'am Elizabeth,
Yeah.
On behalf of all the Filipinos all over the world, we love President Duterte and the entire Duterte family, ma'am. We love you, of course, ma'am. Maraming salamat po, ma'am.
thank you.
Thank you po.